Hello chocolatiers, and welcome to the Chocolate Factory. This is your favorite chocolate drop, and if you would like to continue to see me and my content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be besties for life. But today I did do this look only focusing on the eyes, and I call it
Barbie Tings, that's Barbie Tings. Big Barbie Tings, that's Barbie Tings.
Okay, because it has the blue, purple, and pink like Barbie. So I did do this focusing on the eyes look. So if you would like to see this, please continue to watch. And also, if you would like to see where I got this lusciousness from, darling, there's a video on that as well. So look out for that. So thank you. Bye. Hey y'all, and welcome back. So I already did one eye off camera just to speed up the process, and then I have my base on this eye. So I'm just going to show you how to do this look. And then the base I used today, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And then I went in with my buffing brush from Morphe. And this is the M178. Then I set it with Mercier powder, just my little tiny one. And that's how I got my base on this one. So to start off the look, we're gonna go in with pink. So the pink I used is from the Zulu palette, and it's just this pink right here. Then the second shade I'm gonna use is from the Zulu palette as well, and I'm gonna go in with this purple. Then I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's The Magic palette and use the shade Ife, and it's this dark purple color down here. Then I'm gonna go back with the shade with the brush that I had the purple on and blend that out. So now I'm gonna cut the crease with my concealer, with a simple concealer brush, and I'm using the same concealer I used as the base, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm gonna just put some on the back of my hand. Put a line right across the center, and the trick for it is to look up and see, and that's where you're gonna make your line. Okay, and now I'm about to set this concealer with my Mercier powder. Then I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. Sorry for all the noise. And I'm gonna just grab this blue color, like kind of tealish blue, and it's called Zola. It's this one right here. And I'm gonna just get a brush and then pack it onto my lid. Next, I'm gonna get my NYX glitter glue. It looks like this. Put it on the back of my hand. Get a little teeny tiny brush like so. Tap into the glue, put it on my lid. And I'm gonna use the glitter super glitters in Paragon Sky. And so here is the finished eye look, and I'm gonna just come back with my face done and eyebrows done, lashes and all that good stuff, and I'll come back to show you my lips. Okay, so I'm back. So we're gonna use a bright pink since I got pink and stuff in my crease, so we're gonna be dramatic today. And this is by ColourPop. It's pretty old. It's called The Rabbit. It's bright. It is bright. That's what I was going for to go with this look. Then I'm gonna let it dry. This is the finished look. Barbie Tings, I did Barbie. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time, and until then, stay golden.
I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it keepin'. He's still the only hitter that I would assign to. If I ain't signed a Wayne, perfectly designed crew. Cause we the big three, don't need a big speech. We made the biggest impact, check the spreadsheet. That's Lil Weezy, the Barbie, and Drizzy Drake. And I'll cut the chick, I'll cut up the chick, I'll gut the chick. Had to rough up the chick, handcuff the chick. Won't shoot her, but I will gun butt the chick. When we say gun the chick, it's up for chicks. She was stuck up on my hip and stuff. I'm still fly, just back the white guy. Richie light guy, and I still eat Thai. With the nigga cheap code, come on sis, nice try. Let's be real, well my children wanna look like me. Wanna be into me and get booked like me. Wanna run up in the lab and cook like me. But ain't me and you girls cookie good like me. Cookie so good his ex wanna still fight me. Face so pretty, sissy wish she could slice me. She just mad cause he never bought a ice like me.